This is where we come from. Where no idea is left unchallenged. Where every road can be new if you have the strength to reinvent yourself, to design, make, think, create the unimaginable. The land of passion and possibilities, where we find our inspiration. This is where we come from. And this is what we do. SEAT, created in Barcelona.